following counties in Wisconsin, Columbia, Dodge, Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Kenosha, Lafayette, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha, and the following counties in Illinois, Boone, Henry, Lake, McHenry, and Winson, and Winnebago, and Windsor Harbor to Illinois Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large-scale and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned